Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to 4 other buttons. Now let's focus on this one from the right. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see here at the third position we have the location option, so we can save the location of our picture when we have this turned on. By using this button we can turn it off, we can turn it on again, like that, so this is how it works here. But also the important information here is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these 2 parameters to make it work. And now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. From here let's go to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this icon here we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. As you can see here we have short info about the location, so the city Krakow. When we go to the right corner at the bottom to more here, we have to pick the details, and here we can check the location at the 3rd position with the full address. And that's all. Greetings from Krakow, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.